This is Sandholna, a beach that I didn't intend to visit, but then I checked it on the signs on my way to Grønevika. So I thought, why not go ahead and check it out? Because it looks amazing. There is actually one pond that you see at the beginning that's a bit close to the other side and probably a bit warmer water. But I'm gonna go here because it looks much more cleaner and it's actually out on the open sea. So yes, today is 11th of June, 5 p.m. 3 hours until my flight departs from Bergen airport. So I'm really having super optimistic schedule here because I have one more beach to visit after this one, believe me. So yes, right now it's 21 degrees Celsius in the air and feels like temperature of 17 degrees. So pretty much the same like it was 2 hours ago. And this beach, Sandholna, it looks nice. It's a mix of nature with some stones. And yeah, now the bottom here is quite nice. So are you ready? All right, let's dive in here and check it out how it is. So we are going down in 3, 2, 1. Super nice. Super nice. And there are also many rocks around, so you can also find your inner peace. I see more people on the other side there. So pretty much amazing. This is Sandholna, a hidden gem here in Bergen, Norway. So hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to follow for more beach adventures with Chris.